Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to invite a teen on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to invite a teen on the YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above the help and feedback. And over here you can see the family center option available for us. Tap on the family center option at the top of the screen, and when this interface loads, guys, you can see the invite a team option available for us over here. Tap on the invite a team option over here, and over here, guys, scroll down after reading all of the things over here on this interface and tap on the create invite button over here. And when this loads, guys, make sure that your teen which you want to invite on the YT Music app scans the QR code from their phone, or you can just tap on the share a link instead, and the link will be copied on your clipboard. Paste it and send it to your teen on any social media platform, and when they tap on it, their account will be added and invited on the YT Music app. Guys, with that being done, you'll be able to view many of the activities they're doing on the YouTube Music app, like they are posting or listening. And with that being said, guys, this is how to invite a teen on YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.